Okay, so this is the next project. I've got to paint it candy apple red. I'm having trouble getting the paint, but my paint supplier thinks he'll have it in about a week. So anyways, there's a dent there. I got to pull the bumper, the headlights off, the grill out. There's a lot of chips that I got to sand out. Like that there. There's not very many dents. There's like nine dents that I found. There's a little dent there. I pulled these rocker covers off. They had 8 of those clips and 2 of those at the front. And then these ones pretty much just pull off without breaking. They came off pretty good. And then I found a little bit of rust here I got to fix at the back. It's not really bad, but I'll put a patch in there. There's a dent right there, dent there, dent there, a dent there to fix. I got to pull the back bumper off, pull the tail lights off. I'll pull that emblem off. The wing has to come off. There's a crack. There's a crack in it right there. Right there. And then there's a crack right up here. So I got to do a plastic repair on that. There's a little bit of spider tracking in the paint there. You can just barely see it. So I'll have to sand that out. And on this side, there's a dent. I got to pull the door handles off, the mirrors off, this trim piece off. And I think I'm going to paint these mirrors candy red to match the car. I got to pull these decals off, and there's holes here for an emblem. So I'm going to have to weld those closed. And on this rocker, it's a little worse. I got to make a bit of a bigger patch. It goes above the cover and below the cover from here. So it needs a patch from about here all the way to the back. And this is the only tool. This is the tool you need to get this rocker cover off. That's all you need to pull those long push-in clips. So I guess I'll be making videos as I go along here. But that's the project for the next 2 weeks, is a 2007 Mustang to be painted candy apple red.